How to change your app icon on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can change our app icon on Android. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to change the app icon on Android, you need to download this Nova Launcher app, which is easily available on Google Play Store. After the installation is complete, you just need to set it up and you just need to click on that app. After that, you'll get to this page and here you'll get bunch of apps off your home screen, or you may just scroll down and you may add an app. And here there are a bunch of options on how you can edit the icon. So here you just need to tap on this Nova settings, and here you can see this look and feel options. Let's tap on look and feel and tap on icon style. After that, you can change the icon shape according to your preference. And here are a bunch of other options also. You may just enable those, or you may also choose the icon theme from system. Another method is directly changing it from the home screen. Here you may just long press on the app and tap on edit. After that, you can name the app, or you may just click on that picture and you may change the icon's picture just by going to a gallery and adding the picture onto your icon. If you can't find any apps on your home screen, you may just scroll down and you will get the apps that are installed in your device. You may just long press on it and you can see this edit option. Same goes here as well. Just tap on this and you'll be able to add a new picture above the icon just by going to your gallery and choosing the picture that you want on your app. So therefore, by following this method, you can change your app icons on Android. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.